just want to thank you for speaking up this morning. Cute dressing.
I'll use this glue. A bit. Bull Cafe number 5, which I use towards the end of my eye, and then I use the Nika K, which are affordable concealers. They are $2.99 to blend all of the concealers. I'm using my e.l.f. mascara, Big Mood. Welcome back to my live. Clean that up just a little bit. I'm gonna let that dry by itself. Okay, and I'm gonna apply my lashes back on. If you're just coming in, please tap on that screen and show your girls some love, and also share my live. No, I don't use face powder. Because the one I have will have more of a reddish tone, so I don't use it. I have to buy another face powder to blend it so it can be an even tone. And I'm going to bend my lash. No. Which glue you prefer doing eyelashes? I use Super Strong Hold 3D. It's a brush. I recommend this one. It's clear. They also have black as well. It doesn't burn your eyes. It doesn't irritate your eyes. So that is one of the best lash glues to use. Hey, welcome to my live. If you're just coming in, please tap on that screen and show your girl some love. Get my eyeliner. And I'm using dark brown eyeliner by Ruby Kisses. Brand of lashes that I use is I Envy. I Envy lashes. I use the Irie Mink Lucid Dream. I think that's the package it came out of. So if you guys saw my live the other day, these are the brands that I use. This is I Envy new lash line, Irie Mink. And if you want to try out their new line, you go to ivyusa.com. Just making sure that's blended all the way. Now I gotta do this side. I have to do this side. So I'm trying to see, should I do the undertone again? Do you have a discount code for them? No, I don't have a discount code for I Envy Lashes. They haven't made one yet, so no. But I believe they do have a discount on their website. I think they was doing something 20% off if they haven't closed it, but nothing yet. No code. So I'm just going to blend out my concealers. Hey guys, if you just come onto my live, tap on that screen and show your girl some love, and also share my live. Thank you. I'm just trying to get this hair right. You know, I want to do right. So I don't know. Maybe it's the heat. But thank you so much. Let's see. I'm going to go back over my eyebrows. So I'm just going to use a little dark brown. Just going to go back over my brows so it can look consistent and neat. Alright, so this is the end results of my makeup. Get ready with me. So I hope you guys did enjoy the content. I did use I Envy eyeshadow palette Rose. This is the eyeshadow palette I used in today's video. And the color I used was Flutter and Sparkling. And then I used the nude color. Those are the three colors I used. And I used Ruby Kiss's dark brown eyeliner, because they look more natural instead of black. Because black looked very harsh on me. So I just did the dark brown instead. Alright, I'm moving this hair around. Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you haven't, please like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. Trying to get up to 12,000 subscribers. And on here, we got to try to get to 2,000 subscribers on TikTok. And follow me on Instagram. I have two. I have Modest Transformation by Celeste. Please follow me on that platform there. And also I have a personal page, sexyriri_93. Yes, so follow me on all three platforms, and I will see you guys in my next live. Thank you for joining, and I will see you guys later. Bye.